Good morning to all of you guys. We all know that from the 10th of September onwards, JCA, Junior Court Assistant Supreme Court interview is already started. They are taking interview of 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, three and a half. But this 3 minute and 1 minute is enough or not, I don't know. But the question they are asking is under your radar, under your knowledge. Terminologies, newspaper, recent verdict, your education qualification, if you are working student. One of my working student is there, Monica Yadav. She is from UP and her interview is of Supreme Court JCA. She is married also and working is income tax department. Start from may I come in? Means start from good morning itself, not come in.
A very good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Monica. Please have a seat. वहाँ तो बैठे ही रहोगे.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Monica Yadav. Currently, I am working with Income Tax Department on the profile of tax assistant and posted in Mumbai. I've done my graduation in from Miranda House. I've done maths honors.
और आगे बोलना है ना बेटा, आगे माई हॉबी इज दिस, पूरा हस्बैंड. हाँ, तुमने इतना बोला, मैंने तो उतना सिखाया है शॉर्ट, लेकिन तुम बोलें, तुम अपना बोलना पूरा, वो वाले बीच में रोक दें तो अभी तो मेरे सामने तो पूरा बोलो ना.
Okay, sir. For elementary education, I did my elementary education from Meerut in Saharanpur. 10th and 12th from Meerut with respect to percentage of
10-12 बोलना नहीं है, ग्रेजुएशन खाली बोलो. माई नेम इज मोनिका यादव. आई एम करंटली वर्किंग इज दिस. Okay, my graduation is completed is this year. I am married woman. My husband is working is this. My hobby is this. इतना बोलो. 10-12 बोलने कौन बोल रहा है? फिर से बोलो, चलो जो मैंने बोला.
Good morning, sir. I am Monica Yadav. Currently, I am working with Income Tax Department on the profile of tax assistant. I've done my maths honors from Miranda House, University of Delhi. I am married and my husband is currently working with Ministry of Railways in the Railway Board in the planning division of Indian Railways.
Okay.
That's it from my side, sir.
Very good. From you have completed your graduation from Miranda House College. Say something about that. Who Miranda House name? What it suggests?
So Miranda House was established in 1948. The then Vice Chancellor Maurice Goyer, sir. Actually, the name Miranda House is very interesting to know because the name is actually was suggested by the then Vice Chancellor of Delhi University. He named it after his own daughter, and also there's a Shakespeare play on which it is based. The Shakespeare's play is name is The Tempest, and The Tempest is also the annual fest of Miranda House.
Okay, in which year you joined?
It's a Girls' College of Delhi University.
In which year you joined as a?
So I completed my graduation.
In which year
Yes,
you
sir.
have joined as a income tax department, and what is your work profile?
Sir, I joined Income Tax Department on 20th Feb 2024, and my work profile majorly involves assisting my superiors, assisting officers, whether they are joint commissioners, deputy commissioners, or currently I'm working with 2 income tax officers which are called ITOs. My work majorly involves assisting them, preparing, noting and drafting of notices. I follow the SOPs, draft notices, and also take a follow of the notices that I'm sending. And we have assessment and penalties every month. So for example, assessment we have complete year to complete, and time barring cases of penalty every month. So my work majorly is to take a follow of the notices that I'm sending, and also to prepare reports of the assessing officer. Sometimes they are daily, weekly, or monthly that I have to prepare.
Okay, whichever you said, now I'm going to ask some question from that. Recently, there is a changes in Income Tax Act. You gone through it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So the earlier Income Tax Act 1961 is very bulky and difficult for citizens to understand. There are very legal and complicated terms to understand. For that, our Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am, along with her team members, have simplified the slab rates and also made some simplification in the terminologies of Income Tax Act. For example, right now, we have financial year assessment here in the Act, but from now onwards, there will be just single tax year that will be simplified for citizens so that they can file their own taxes. Otherwise, they have to take help of CAs and all to file their taxes. Also, the standard deductions have changed. Earlier, the standard deduction for salaried employee was 50,000. Now it is 75,000,
Okay.
and it is also in the new tax regime.
As you told,
These are some major changes.
good. As you told about the assessment year and all, this what is the current financial year is going on? Means the budget is passed on of which year, and economic survey passed on which year? Means year slab.
So the if we talk about the assessment year, it is 25-26. But when we talk about the financial year, it is taken as the preceding year, which is 24-25.
Yeah, it's assessment year and
if you
preceding
calculate
year.
the year-
And if they will ask about the budget and economic survey, then the budget is of 25-26 and economic survey जो बीत चुका है 24-25. As you told about dictation and all, so how your this work profile, because currently you are in a very good organization. I know you are in the Mumbai, but how your this work experience will help you in junior court assistant JCA?
Sir, I do not have complete in-depth knowledge about the work profile, but whatever information I could gather from different sources in the
ये आगे ये वर्ड नहीं लगाना है,
जो
आगे ये वर्ड नहीं लगाना है कि मेरे पास नॉलेज नहीं है. अभी तो किसी को नॉलेज नहीं होगा वहाँ काम क्या कराते हैं. इसको क्यों स्पेसिफिकली करना है? सिंपली बोलना कि हाँ मुझे ये पता है. एक्स्ट्रा किस लिए बोलना है?
सर,
चलो.
the knowledge I have about the job profile is that the work majorly involves administrative and secretarial duties. It may involve assisting judicial officers, court officers, and it is somewhat very similar to the work currently I am doing. Here also I am assisting my superiors and I am learning from them in the same way. Where there also I may have to prepare notices, maintain records, files, data, book of accounts, and so that is the same work that I am doing here in the income tax department. So I will just be replicating the work.
Who is currently
My current
CJI?
work. The current Chief Justice of India is Honorable Justice Bhushan Ramakrishnan Gavai, sir.
Bhushan Ramchandra, na? Ramchandra Ramkrishnan, no issue. Okay, who is the new Vice President of India?
New Vice President of India is Honorable C.P. Radhakrishnan, C.P. Radhakrishnan, sir.
Okay, what is SCR report 2013? Means SCR 2013.
So, SCR report, Supreme Court report 2013 lists the set of rules according to which the Supreme Court will function. So it is a detailed report listing those rules, and one has to follow the procedures listed in that.
As a married
report.
woman, how will you manage in Delhi and the workload is also there?
Sir, being married is actually an advantage for me because my family lives in Delhi. My husband works in Delhi. So I'll be having a ladder of the career, promotions and promotion aspects. And I've been working with in the apex code of the world's largest democracy. So it will be a privilege for me to work, and at the same time, I will be with my family. That is one thing that is one piece that is missing in the current work profile that I'm working
Okay.
in Mumbai.
What your husband is doing? He is in which profile?
So my husband is working in the planning division of Indian Railways. He is in the railway board.
He is in the railway board. Okay, who is the current chairman, railway board chairman? Just go through it.
The current railway board chairman would be Ashwini. No, sorry, sir. I cannot recall the exact
रेलवे
name right
मिनिस्टर
now, sorry, sir.
रेलवे मिनिस्टर डिफरेंट है और रेलवे बोर्ड का चेयरमैन अलग है.
Ashwini, sir.
नहीं, रेलवे बोर्ड का चेयरमैन अलग है, रेलवे मिनिस्टर अलग है. ये दोनों देख लीजिएगा. अपने हस्बैंड का वर्क प्रोफाइल देख लीजिएगा. टोटल रेलवे जोन 19 हो गए हैं, वो देख लीजिएगा. ओके, नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द सम रिसेंट वर्डिक्ट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट. यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट सर स्पेशल इंटेंसिव रिवीजन.
So special intensive revision is the refined voters list that has been done by the Election Commission of India in Bihar. There were some major discrepancies upon which PIL was filed in Supreme Court of India, and Supreme Court of India intervened in this, and there were 11 documents which were supposed to be provided by the voters, which because of these 65 lakh voters were pushed out of the list. And according to the recent verdict of Supreme Court, you can also take Aadhaar as in consideration for the
Okay.
voters list.
Wow, what is the dispute between the some bills related to state CM and governor? On this topic,
Sir,
also
this
Supreme Court has
recently-
given some suggestions.
Sir, recently this has been in news because of dissent in the assent of bills in the Tamil Nadu state, where the governor was keeping bills in hand and not passing them, upon which the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu approached Supreme Court of India, and upon intervention, it has been directed by Supreme Court that the time limit has to be fixed for the governor to either give the assent or pass the bills in appropriate time.
Okay. Last question. Who is the judge of Allahabad High Court?
Sir, Judge of Allahabad High Court is Honorable Justice and
ओके आप वहाँ से हैं, आप यूपी से हैं, इसलिए मैंने ये पूछ लिया और मोर ओवर सही है. ओके मोनिका, मैं फीडबैक देता हूँ गाइज अपने स्टूडेंट को. 7503235358 मेरा नंबर है. आगे आने वाले कोई भी इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वहाँ जो इंटरव्यूज़ हो रहे हैं आपसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा मैटर नहीं करता, हो सके आए ना आए, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंट रहिएगा. और जो रिसेंट में चेंजेस हुए हैं, न्यूज़पेपर 1-2 दिन का देखना है. ओके न्यूज़पेपर देखना है, जो भी लीगल से चीज़ें आ रही हैं, और बेसिकली अपना वर्क प्रोफाइल पे तो ध्यान देना है. कॉन्फिडेंटली उनको बोलना है, सर आई हैव एन एक्स्ट्रा एज दैट आई एम अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल and sir I will want to utilize my knowledge in this job, whichever this is. Okay, I want how to handle the pressure, I know how to handle the pressure, how to cope up with this job and all. Okay guys, thanks a lot. I'm just going to give the feedback to my student.